Bungalow house alert in a cool and fresh place of the Milag, Bukidnon. Hello guys, I'm back. This is Reb Kareen, your house tour partner. Welcome to Menzi Heights subdivision situated at Manolo Fortich, the Milag, Bukidnon. This is a 90% complete subdivision with ready to occupy units. This is their Madison single attached house with a floor area of 42 square meters and a spacious lot area of 100 square meters. It has two bedrooms, one toilet and bath, and one carport. So this is their actual unit upon turnover. It has a cement finish flooring with first coat paint in the walls. So it has a standard color of white and of course a complete toilet and bath with shower, bowl, and sink. So this is the second bedroom. And then here's the kitchen. So it's up to you to have an extension in the kitchen going to the back. And here's for the service area. And here's the actual development of the subdivision by which we only have two ready to occupy units left. And we also have pre-selling units in Menzi Newtown. We have Kentisbury and Rackenford. So if you want pre-selling units, you can PM me for more details. And here's the sample computation. Feel free to pause the video to know more about its price details. So that's all for Menzi Heights subdivision. Thank you for watching!